Hello everyone, it's Chris from SheffLOCK. I'm one of the co-owners of the business. I'm just doing a quick video demonstration regarding Lution XM. It's available on our online shop. If you've purchased this item, this video hopefully will help you with regards to how to apply the graphite powder. It's a question we often get asked by our customers, so I just thought I'd do a quick little demonstration video regarding how to apply it correctly. So with regards to this product, it is the recommended graphite powder to be applied every 6 months to your Ultion locks. Now an Ultion lock, the latest version is this particular lock. This applies for the old Ultion lock as well, which I'll just show you that version. Difference being the keyway is to the right instead of the left, so it applies for both locks. So firstly, this is a powder, it is not an oil, so therefore what we want to be doing is applying it to the key rather than trying to put the powder into the lock direct. So what we do is we take whichever key for whichever lock you want to apply the graphite powder to. So it can be either side of the key, it makes no difference. But what we want to be doing is, ideally, like you see, I've got some kitchen towel or some tissue. I would recommend using that. So you would put your key on there. With regards to the Lution XM, you can see there's a bit of a nozzle. So when you unlock the nozzle, you want to just be snipping off the end. I've already done that just to save a bit of time for this video. It just allows, I don't know if the video will show you, it just allows the graphite to come out. Just be careful you don't cut it down too far, because obviously the further down you go, the more that's going to come out. And as you'll see, you don't need to apply much pressure to the bottle for it to come out. So you're aiming for the indentations on the key. So what we want to be doing is just, as you can see, very gently. And with regards to it coming out, this is often happens if you apply too much pressure. I would have another little bit of tissue that you can just rip off, and then I would just very, very gently just work it into the grooves, for instance like that. And then I would go straight to whichever lock, so let's say this particular Ultion lock, and whichever door, you would slide it into the lock per se, and then you would work it in just like that. You would take it back out, wiggle it back out, and you would do the same for that side, working it all the way around. If you want to apply some on the other side of the key, you can. Personally, I think it's overkill, but just wear that in nice every 6 months. People say to me, you know, can I get away with once a year? The 6 months is a recommendation, so I would abide to that. And what we always say to our customers is 6 months, clocks go forward, that's a good point to do it. Clocks go back is another point, so that adheres to the twice a year. And it really does make a difference. Once you've applied it, you're happy with it, again, I'd just use the same bit of tissue, just wipe it down. But more isn't better with graphite powder. Use it sparingly. You know, put enough in there that you're going to be cleaning it out, but that's what it's there for. It doesn't stick because it's dry, so therefore it cleans it out nice, gets everything working. So if your key is sticking a little bit, it's not quite working, the first port of call, my recommendation, is the Lution XM graphite powder. And of course, if you are an existing customer or you've stumbled across our video and you're wanting more advice about Ultion locks, the associated products, and so forth, just give us a ring. As you can see, our number's there. We are Sheffield based, but we operate nationally. 0114 44 26200, or visit the site shefflock.co.uk. Loads of information on there, including the shop. And if need be, give us an email via that site asking any questions. I hope that's answered any of the queries you've got regarding Lution XM and the graphite powder.